Ridge vent shingles offer several benefits, including improved ventilation in the attic, which helps reduce heat buildup and moisture accumulation. They can also help prevent ice dam formation in winter. Installation is generally considered easy, with interlocking tabs that slide together. However, there are also concerns associated with ridge vent shingles. Firstly, there is the potential for wind damage, especially during high winds or hurricanes. Secondly, some reports indicate water infiltration during heavy rains. Thirdly, ridge vent shingles may not be suitable for all roof pitches or climates. Wind resistance is an important factor to consider. Ridge vent shingles are typically rated for wind speeds of up to 110 miles per hour. However, local building codes may require higher wind ratings in certain areas. Water resistance is also crucial. Some ridge vent shingles have a water-resistant barrier to help prevent leaks. It is important to ensure a proper seal between the shingles and the roof deck. Roof pitch is another consideration. Ridge vent shingles are designed for roofs with pitches between 3.12 and 12.12. Steep or low-pitched roofs may require different venting solutions. Overall, ridge vent shingles can be a convenient and effective way to improve attic ventilation. However, it is important to consider the potential risks and ensure that they are suitable for a specific roof and climate. Proper installation according to the manufacturer's instructions is crucial for optimal performance. Wind damage can be a significant concern, especially in areas prone to high winds. When selecting ridge vent shingles, pay close attention to their wind resistance rating and ensure it meets or exceeds local building code requirements. Consider the potential for uplift forces caused by wind and how the shingles are designed to withstand these forces. Properly securing the shingles and using appropriate fasteners are essential to prevent wind damage. Water infiltration is another potential issue to address. Ridge vent shingles are designed to allow air to escape from the attic while preventing water from entering. However, if the shingles are not properly installed or if the water-resistant barrier is compromised, leaks can occur. Ensure that the shingles are correctly aligned and overlap to create a watertight seal. Inspect the shingles regularly for any signs of damage or wear that could compromise their water resistance. Roof pitch plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of ridge vent shingles. The pitch of the roof determines how well the shingles can facilitate airflow and prevent water from entering. If the roof pitch is too low, the shingles may not provide adequate ventilation. If the roof pitch is too steep, the shingles may be more vulnerable to wind damage. Consult with a roofing professional to determine the appropriate venting solution for the specific roof pitch. Climate considerations are also important when selecting ridge vent shingles. In hot climates, effective attic ventilation is essential to prevent heat buildup and reduce energy costs. In cold climates, proper ventilation helps prevent moisture accumulation and ice dam formation. Choose ridge vent shingles that are designed to perform well in the local climate conditions. In areas with heavy snowfall, ensure that the shingles can withstand the weight of the snow and prevent water from backing up onto the shingles. Installation is critical to the performance of ridge vent shingles. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure that the shingles are properly installed. Use the correct fasteners and tools, and pay close attention to details such as alignment, overlap, and sealing. If not comfortable with installing the shingles, hire a qualified roofing contractor to do the job. Regular maintenance is essential to keep ridge vent shingles in good condition. Inspect the shingles periodically for any signs of damage, wear, or deterioration. Clean the shingles as needed to remove debris and prevent algae growth. Replace any damaged or missing shingles promptly to maintain the integrity of the roof. When choosing ridge vent shingles, consider the overall cost, including materials and installation. While ridge vent shingles may be more expensive than other types of vents, they can provide superior ventilation and energy savings. Evaluate the long-term benefits of ridge vent shingles and weigh them against the initial cost. Consider the aesthetic appearance of ridge vent shingles and how they complement the overall look of the home. Ridge vent shingles are available in a variety of colors and styles to match different roofing materials. Choose shingles that blend in seamlessly with the existing roof and enhance the curb appeal of the property. Look for ridge vent shingles that are made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. Consider the lifespan of the shingles and choose a product that is likely to last for many years. Select shingles that are resistant to fading, cracking, and other forms of deterioration. Check the warranty offered by the manufacturer of the ridge vent shingles. A good warranty provides protection against defects in materials and workmanship. Read the warranty carefully to understand the terms and conditions. If any doubts or concerns about ridge vent shingles, consult with a roofing professional. A qualified roofing contractor can assess the specific needs and recommend the best venting solution. They can also provide guidance on installation, maintenance, and repair. Consider the environmental impact of the ridge vent shingles. Choose shingles that are made from sustainable materials and are recyclable. Look for shingles that are energy efficient and can help reduce the carbon footprint. In addition to ridge vent shingles, there are other types of attic vents available, such as gable vents, soffit vents, and turbine vents. Each type of vent has its advantages and disadvantages. Consider all the options and choose the venting system that best suits the needs. When selecting ridge vent shingles, consider the noise level. Some ridge vent shingles can be noisy, especially in windy conditions. Choose shingles that are designed to minimize noise and provide a quiet living environment. Consider the fire resistance of the ridge vent shingles. Choose shingles that are fire resistant and can help protect the home from fire damage. Ensure that the shingles meet local fire codes. Consider the impact of ridge vent shingles on the resale value of the home. A properly installed and well-maintained venting system can increase the value and make it more attractive to potential buyers. When installing ridge vent shingles, be sure to comply with all local building codes and regulations. Obtain any necessary permits and inspections. Failure to comply with building codes can result in fines and other penalties. Always prioritize safety when working on a roof. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as a hard hat, safety glasses, and full protection. Use caution when working at heights and avoid working in hazardous weather conditions.